Hello you guys, good morning. So right now it's 6 o'clock in the morning. So I'm here early outside because I'm gonna do some jumping rope and exercise. So Sophie and I here. She's here. See? Hello you guys. Our tubby cat, Sophie. So I have my phone, and this is what I'm going to use. Yan. I already opened this one, guys, and this is the first time I'm going to use. It's a little bit chilly this morning, 63 degree, and maybe probably it's gonna going up. So I'm just gonna sit up my Sophie, you finally here. We're gonna go cut the grass. Bye-bye. Hello you guys, good morning. I think it's still morning because it's 11 something. So I just finished cooking the cassava cake and tinola. So anyway, my fingernails is not really that long, but here and some that are breaking like this, see? It's not hurt, but it's uncomfortable. So wait, I think that was like 15 minutes then jumping ropes, so that was really then during the weekend I probably do it in the morning because I'm just here home, then I'm the one who get up early. So yeah, I like to do the outside workout because I can jump, and inside the house only couple exercise to do for my belly. I gaining weight, guys, you know. You cannot tell because you know I'm naturally look already big in the screen because I'm more closer. When I posting a lot of picture and a lot of my friend back home in the Philippines, they asking if I'm pregnant. So anyway, as always I answer, guys, I'm not pregnant and I just gaining weight. Yeah, my friend texting me, so I'll be right back. So guys, I just got back from outside mowing our grass. So my husband going to finish it the rest because I told him that once I get inside I will get a shower, and I don't think I'm going back to outside and work out again or yard because you know once you get shower you're clean. Anyway, I put mask on if you're wondering, and this is the St. Ives gentle smoothing oatmeal scrub mask. So I'm gonna wait for 20 minutes or when it dry. So guys, ito yung mask na nilagay ko. Kung mag-dry siya, parang ano, yung texture niya matigas. Parang may harina sa mukha ko. Yan. So I'm going to take a shower, then wipe this off because it's been like already over 20 minutes. Anyway, yeah, yan ang mukha.